Fuel your body with high protein, low calorie, low carb, delicious meals that will keep you satisfied and support your health goals and also your weight loss journey. Let's get started. Take one onion, finely chop it. Have taken 3 garlic cloves, chop them finely. Half a capsicum chopped. Half a carrot, chop them. On an iron skillet, I'm adding about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, half a tablespoon of fennel seeds and cumin seeds, adding the chopped onions, saute it for 2 minutes. Now adding the chopped garlic. Lightly roast the garlic and onion, do not brown. And now let's start adding all the vegetables which I have already chopped, carrots and chopped capsicums. I have taken 1/4 cup of fresh sweet corn. Saute all the vegetables on low flame. Now put on the lid and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Do not add water, we need the vegetables to be crunchy. If you wish to add water, you can just sprinkle some water on the vegetables and cook it on low flame. The veggies are cooked and roasted well. I've taken 200 grams of chicken boneless, cut in small pieces, added to the vegetables. Combine everything. I'm just adding only 1 green chilies. If you prefer to add 2 or more green chilies, you can add up. Adding half a tablespoon of chili powder and half a tablespoon of pepper powder and 1/4 tablespoon of oregano and some pink Himalayan salt as required. So saute well. I'm going to add tomato puree made out of 2 tomatoes. Adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Now mix all the ingredients. Now I'm going to close it with the lid and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Now let's open and see, it's almost cooked. So finally I'm going to add this boiled black-eyed pea, 1/4 cup, and gently mix. This black-eyed bean is also a good source of protein and low in carb. And a good source of fiber and vitamins in all these vegetables. You can make this for a lunch meals and also for the dinner as well. So try this healthy recipe packed with high amount of protein and fiber rich vegetables. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.